Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you where to find the anti-spam system on Namecheap. So you head to secure to email, anti-spam protection, jellyfish spam protection, remove email threats, eliminate spam emails and viruses, securely filter emails, manage your spam easily. Yes, you should trust it. It's a jellyfish. It's harmless. So there is a private email for free. Jellyfish for private email is free. But for shared hosting, a group of emails, you should pay almost $2 per month. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.